Vantage EDI is an extensive EDI and XML processing platform that supports a native ASN solution, third-party warehouse EDI integration, and integration solutions that enable e-business with all of your customers and suppliers. Our all-in-one approach allows for an easy implementation, efficient operation, ongoing managed compliance, and premium support. This trial will cover 3 things: set up and flow Vantage EDI, review trading partner maps and integrations, view completed EDI purchase order in Dynamics GP. Click Show Me the Demo to get started. Here is the Vantage EDI main user interface. At the top, there is an easy-to-use ribbon bar that adjusts based off the workflow we have selected. The middle of the screen shows alert and exception messages that a user would need to take action on. On the right is a graphical key performance indicator of areas like documents received and exceptions by process. Let's click on Inbound Purchase Order in the upper left. Here is where we define all of our trading partners. The system can communicate over a traditional value-added network or communicate directly, such as AS2 FTP. Let's select Target. Here we define what business documents will need to be processed. In this example, the function acknowledgement, invoice, organization advise, PO, and ship notification. Vantage EDI natively integrates over 64+ document types. We have already set up our partners and methods of communications. Let's move forward and review the automation. Close this window. Here we see the EDI workflow scheduler utility. We can set up frequencies of every minute, twice a day, or schedule to match a business workflow. For example, FedEx picks up at 4 p.m. Click Tasks to view scheduled items. Here we have elected to connect to the network to retrieve the POs and send the POs to Dynamics GP. The users will receive an audit report via email. Note the exception by process chart in the red callout on the right. The system automates the EDI process and allows users to manage by exception. Let's take a look at a PO that has been received. Close this window. From the main menu, let's click Inbound PO Changes. Here we see a PO in a sales transaction window, where you can review and/or edit the transaction. This tool allows you to manage exceptions without always having to contact your trading partners to resend the document. Let's click on SSRS Reports to see the details of this PO. Here is a report view of the PO on the right. We also see an XML representation of the source data our partners sent in the red box. This PO has been received, and a sales order has been created inside Dynamics GP. Click Close. Here we see the sales order in Microsoft Dynamics GP. Vantage has created this from the EDI purchase order with the right document type, customer number, ship to location, batch ID, ship from warehouse, part numbers, pricing, and other required fields. Congratulations! You just created your first EDI sales order in Dynamics GP. Click DataMasons to learn more. Thank you for your time to review our solution today.